To enable dynamic cache, go to your control panel and click on the edge caching icon. From there, you can easily activate or deactivate the dynamic cache using the provided switch. Dynamic caching operates by storing generated content in a cache, typically on high-speed storage systems such as RAM or SSD. This approach means that instead of regenerating every aspect of the site for each load, the system serves the previously saved content. For all our shared cloud hosting users, dynamic caching is implemented through the CDN. CDNs are capable of caching dynamically generated content on their edge servers, strategically located in various geographical regions. This setup ensures faster delivery of content to users, as the cached content is served from a server nearer to their location. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at Host Maria Support Ticketing System. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications, as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using Host Maria Ticketing System. Thank you.